under the curve, an important question for our IBSL students. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here we have a very important question shared by one of our students. We'll actually find area under the curve using integration. The question here is, find the exact value of the area of the region bounded by the axis and y equals to square root of 9 minus x. So it's a good idea to sketch the graph first, right? So let's try to understand the situation. Y equals to 9 minus x. How should this look like? Well, let me rewrite so that you understand how do we sketch this. Y equals to square root of 9 minus x. You can think about square root of minus. Take minus outside, right? So that means we have square root function reflected on the y-axis and moved 9 units right? So it is kind of like this, right? Makes sense? Perfect. Now the student had a difficulty to understand the statement, which is find the exact value of area bounded by the axis and the curve, right? Now see, the axis here is plural, means both x and y axis, you understand? And therefore, the area of interest is this. Make sense? So that is the area which you have to find. Now once this concept is clear, I think it is not a difficult question. Let's find the area, which is from 0 to 9, and the function given to us is 9 minus x dx, right? So the area will be what? Well, the area will be, this is to the power of half, so we can write this as 9 minus x to the power of half plus 1, which is 3 by 2, right? Over 3 by 2 from 0 to 9. And that can be written as 2 by 3, which is a constant, so I'm taking this out. And we have 9 minus x to the power of 3 by 2. And from 0 to 9. Perfect. So let's substitute the values. We get what? 2 over 3 of, when I substitute 9 here, I get 9 minus 9 to the power of 3 by 2, right? Minus, and then I substitute 0, 9 minus 0 to the power of 3 by 2. Make sense? Which is 2 by 3 of 9 minus 9 is 0, minus 9 square root 3 is, square root 2 is 3, and 3 cube is 27, right? Make sense? So that becomes minus 27. Now see, as far as the calculation goes, you get negative. However, can you have negative area? No, it is always absolute value, right? And therefore, we should always consider to be the absolute value, right? So area will be always given as the absolute value. So take the absolute value of the whole function. Is that clear to you? So when you take the absolute value, you get 27, right? Times 2 over 3, right? Well, let me write 2 over 3 times 27 as we have written. Perfect. Now that gives you the answer, which is 2 over 3 times 27 means 2 times 9, right? Which is 18 units square. So a couple of important things. One, to understand that we are talking about x and y axis. And that area, when you calculate, it comes to be negative, right? It is clearly negative, right? 9 value is 0, and at this point you have a much higher value, correct? Okay, so definitely area is always absolute value. So remember, area is always positive. So take absolute value. Make sense? So that is what you have to take care of. So I hope with this you understand complete solution of the equation. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And in case you want to learn from me, send an email on the address given. Thank you and all the best.